Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me DOOGEE X95, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector. So to damage your USB charging port, you have micro USB, and micro USB port is port that very easy to damage if you're using metal objects. So I suggest use just simple old toothbrush which you no longer use. Then just insert the brush in the charging port and try to brush the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.